Hey YouTube, Moto America here. I wanted to show you my helmet today. My helmet is the Shoei GT Air, shown here in flat black. I think the flat black is stunning. The helmet has great ventilation. It's got vents in the front, top, and the back. It really flows the air well. It features a built-in sun visor, activated with the slide button you see right there on the side. It's easily activated with gloved hands. The helmet has a chin shield, so you don't get air blowing up through your chin. It also has removable cheek pads in case the EMS need to rescue you. The helmet is super light and it's great on reducing wind noise. It is the quietest helmet I've ever had. The helmet has a double D-ring retention system. You can see on the bottom here it has those pull-off pads for the EMS, and you can see the chin curtain. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed the video. I'm going to be trying to make 1 or 2 videos a week, so stay tuned for more. See ya!